Welcome to Lesson 9 of Algebraic Concepts. Simplify and Evaluate Expressions, Part 1. I am going to go into the definitions here because there's a difference. A lot of people interchange these terms, but technically, simplify means making an expression have no like terms. Evaluate means to substitute a number into an algebraic expression and compute down to one number. So simplify means no like terms. And we'll go over terms. So the word term. A term is a number, a letter, or combination of a number and letter. So these are all different terms because they have different variables in them. Well, except for two. Two is a constant. And a constant is a number with no variable. It is what it is. Okay. Like terms. Like terms must have the same letter to the same power. So 2, 3, and 4 are all constants. So all constants are all like terms. So now let's look at here. X, 2x, and 3x are all x. You can add, subtract these. X squared and 3x squared, they are squared. You can only add an x squared or subtract an x squared to an x squared. You cannot add and subtract x squareds to x's. They're different. So be careful with that. A lot of people will do that. You can multiply and divide as you will. So that doesn't, but it is very specific for adding and subtracting of like terms. Okay, rules and notes, and you can read those on your own. So simplify the terms. X plus 2x. Now the first thing you do, whenever you see a letter with no number in front of it, put a 1. Even if there's a sign, just put a 1 in front of the number. So now we're dealing with. So 1x plus 2x. These have the same letter to the same power. If there's no power, put a 1. And so now 1 plus 2x becomes 3x. Because they have the same x, we just bring the x over and 1 plus 2 becomes 3. All right. Evaluate. Evaluate means to substitute and put a number in for the letter. So when you evaluate, please use parentheses. A lot of people just stick numbers in. They forget about the signs. The signs are very important. And this is where people go wrong. So you got 3 times negative 2 times negative 1. I'll put them in parentheses because the signs go with the numbers. So 3 times negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 6 or just 6. Positive 6 or just 6. Okay, those were our 2 examples. Please work on the practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for the recap. Okay, 4x minus x. What did I tell you? Put a 1 in front of the number, and so 4 minus 1 is 3. And now we bring the x over. All right, 4x plus 2x squared. Technically, what you had to do is put the highest exponent first. So 2x squared should come first, and then you add 4x to it. And that's how you would solve this problem. The highest exponent and the most alphabetical in order from A to Z should go first. So we may not see that. We'll probably see that on the next video. Okay, so evaluate. So we're going to have 3. Please use parentheses when you substitute. And C is -1. Okay, so 3 squared is 9. Plus a negative, just write -2. 2 negatives in a row becomes +1. So 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. These are our series, Simplify and Evaluate Algebraic Expressions. So please watch the entire series. If you like what you saw, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, do all of those things, and I will see you on the next video.